What's going on, guys? I've got a giveaway for you from Kimball Hardwoods, trying to help support a small business that is really good to me and to you guys. Wanted to do a giveaway with him. He donated this awesome quilted maple little sausage angel quilt that is amazingly beautiful. It's got sort of a V running through it and then some sort of sausage quilt up on the top. Really beautiful piece of wood. I can join this for you and glue this up and get it all flat if you want, or you can just take it as it is. It'll fit a T shape or an S shape. You could bend this over like I've done on his Strat. We've also got a blistered, roasted bird's eye maple fretboard blank, just like the one I made for his neck, which is here. This is what it'll look like with a coat of oil. I still got to put another coat on, but it's got an amazing, beautiful figure in this piece of wood. The giveaway is like all of them. You just put in the comments, I want that, and we'll get this out to you. I'm not going to tell you you need to follow Kimball on Instagram or go to his website or follow him on eBay. I'm assuming all of you guys are already doing that, and I can't police all of that anyway, but follow him on Instagram, on eBay, and on Facebook. He posts a lot of stuff out there on the woodworking that he's doing. This is probably $100 top, if not more. And then I will throw into the cause either a Honduran mahogany neck blank. I'll cut this up and get this to you guys. Or if you want a bolt on, I can include a neck blank for you. So a builder's pack from Kimball with a beautiful blistered maple, roasted maple. This is the sanded side. This is the plain side. It is amazing. Smells like a fire. This awesome top, and then the neck blank of your choice. We can figure that out. Just leave a comment and subscribe, as always, which most of you guys are, and just follow him on Instagram and follow his eBay page. He's got a new website coming. I know we did the conversation with him, I don't know, a couple months back, but it's a great service. I am really happy with all the wood that he's provided to me. I have yet to have a piece of wood explode on the saw. He is really, really picky about what he ships. He does scrap a lot of stuff, which everyone tries to make money on everything they sell. He does throw stuff out, or he'll give it away himself to us builders. But go ahead, just trying to support one of my buddies and one of the buddies of the show. Big supporter. Awesome quilted angel step drop top, a blank for a fretboard, and then I can give you whatever neck blank you want. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.